Hello, welcome to problem 2 on mesh analysis. Um, in this circuit, we will be finding the mesh currents like we did last time. Proceed to solving for the mesh currents. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell. Okay. Like I've mentioned in earlier videos on mesh analysis, the first thing we want to do is we want to identify our meshes. So we have two meshes in this circuit, mesh 1 and mesh 2, or mesh 1 and mesh 2 if you would prefer. Then we assign mesh currents to each mesh. So let's say this one is I1 and this mesh current is I2. Okay, now that we have assigned mesh currents, the next thing we want to proceed to doing is we want to write KVL equations in each mesh. So let's say mesh 1, we want to write the KVL equation in mesh 1. So we start from here. Only current I1 is flowing through the 2 ohm resistor, so we have 2 I1. Then in this resistor, we have current I1 flowing through it, then current I2 opposing it. So we would have plus 12 open bracket I1 minus I2. They will then proceed to this resistor. Only I1 is flowing through it, so say plus 4 I1. Then we hit the negative terminal of the 36 volt power supply, so that will be minus 36. Then we equate everything to 0. We can then simplify this further, and by doing so we would have 18 I1 minus 12 I2 equals 36, and we can call this our first equation. We can then proceed to mesh 2. So mesh 2, we write the KVL equation in mesh 2. So we start from here and we have 9I2. Then we hit the positive terminal of our power source, so plus 24. Then we come here, that would be plus 3 I2. Then we come here and we have plus I2 minus I1 multiplied by 12. Then we equate everything to 0. We can then simplify it. Then when we do so, we would have 9, 12, and 12 plus 12, 24. We'd have 24 I2 minus 12 I1 equals minus 24, and we have our second equation. We can then solve these two equations simultaneously and arrive at our values for I1 and I2. With the help of a calculator, we can easily determine that the value of I1 would then be 2 amperes and the value of I2 would be 0 amperes. That which is to say that no current flows through this 9 ohm resistor and this 3 ohm resistor, and 2 ohms flows through each other resistor in the circuit. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, hit the notification bell. See you in the next video. Bye.